Hello everyone! We are excited to present to you a world innovation, something totally new from the think tank of BIK, the first professional hand welding tool with the battery, the LiiOn. The LiiOn is perfect for repairs or small projects, as it needs no external energy source. You just charge your battery before you go and you will be able to weld for 45 minutes on the highest temperature. If you don't use the highest temperature, your battery will work for even more than 45 minutes. If you order your LiiOn, you will receive the BIK backpack, the hot air tool LiiOn, the battery and the charger. If you want to use the LiiOn right away, charge it full once you receive it. To charge your battery, plug the charger in. Now a green light should turn on. Once this happens, plug the battery on the charger. Now the light on the charger will turn to red. Once the battery is fully charged, the light will turn back to green. The charging time is approximately 2 hours. For more information on how to handle the battery, please refer to the operating manual and the safety instructions. Once the battery is charged, you are ready to get work done. Grab your battery, the LiiOn and everything else you might need for the job, put it in your backpack and let's go. Prepare your welding as you usually do. To connect the battery to the tool, make sure that both devices are turned off. Connect the battery and the LiiOn. Turn on the battery. Adjust your desired temperature. Turn the LiiOn on. The battery goes down very quickly in the beginning. Don't worry about it, that's normal. Make your welding. You can save battery if you turn down the temperature if you don't use it. This way you will be able to weld longer. If you use the LiiOn until the battery is empty, you will hear a signal sound. This sound tells you that in a few minutes the battery will turn off. This should protect you from cold weldings. Once this happens, finish your welding, turn the temperature down and let the LiiOn cool down. Once the LiiOn is cooled down, turn off the battery and turn off the LiiOn. Now you can unplug everything and put it back in your backpack. If your project is not finished, you can either recharge the battery or you have the possibility to buy an additional battery. This additional battery also fits into your backpack. If the battery is very hot, recharging will not be possible. We recommend keeping the battery in your backpack to protect it against the sun. If you would like more information about the LiiOn and everything that comes with it, let us know and we will be happy to help. The new LiiOn is available now. Send us an email for a quote.